Since time immemorial, Hindu nations have been known as the glorious haven of peace, tolerance, spirituality, and genuine respect and dignity for all peoples. Over the centuries, despite relentless invasion and cultural genocide of her people, Hindus in India continued to trust and welcome people from all countries, religions, and ethnic backgrounds into her own fold, including refugees and outcasts from countries around the world. Once every 3 years, out of vast empty lands rises a megacity, 2/3 the size of Manhattan, but 3 times as densely populated. Tens of millions of people gather in this place, which is at once the most ancient celebration of the science of enlightenment, but also most modern example of urban planning, use of technology and communication infrastructure. Food, stay, and healthcare are practically free, and crime is non-existent. An event so beautifully choreographed that Harvard University calls it better organized than the FIFA World Cup. This is the oldest festival of humanity, the largest gathering of humanity on planet Earth, and the greatest spiritual event that can happen. This largest event happens with no invitation, no advertising, just a single line written in Panchika, traditional Hindu calendar, that says Mahasnana. Royal bath is on this particular date, that's all. And this event is a gathering of millions of people in a place where there's not even an airport. To reconnect humanity with its true nature of dharma, righteousness, satya, truth, prema, selfless love, and ahimsa, non-violence, and guiding humanity to the true space of Advaita, cosmic oneness. The possibility is potently reflected in an event held every 3 years and acknowledged unanimously as the world's largest and most peaceful gathering of pilgrims, the Kumbh Mela. The Kumbh Mela is a phenomenon like no other, the signature event, the flagship of Hinduism. No other event in the world brings people together like the Kumbh Mela. No other event in the world highlights the capacity and potential of human beings like it. It is truly the flagship festival of Hinduism, demonstrating that human beings of all nationalities, color, and creed can come together to raise humanity to its highest level, a level that can only be imagined and only be materialized by Hinduism. The Melas are consciously organized to grow and expand the tenets of spiritual goals in constant sight of the multitude of devout seekers. The Kumbh Mela is a mass Hindu pilgrimage of faith in which Hindus gather to bathe in sacred rivers in 4 different places. This massive, peaceful congregation of people from all walks of life traverse the journey from their cities, towns, and villages to get this spiritual experience of a lifetime like none other. The celebration of Kumbh Mela depends on the position of Jupiter, Brihaspati, and the Sun, and is held in the 4 mentioned locations as follows. Haridwar, when Jupiter is in Aquarius and the Sun is in Aries during the Hindu month of Chaitra. Prayagraj, when Jupiter is in Aries or Taurus and the Sun and Moon are in Capricorn during the Hindu month of Magha. Nasik, when Jupiter and the Sun are in Leo in the Hindu month of Bhadrapada. Ujjain, when Jupiter is in Leo and the Sun is in Aries, or when Jupiter, the Sun, and the Moon are in Libra during the Hindu month of Vaisakha. Kumbh Mela, the divine bath, Shahi Snan. Kumbh Mela is related to an age-old tradition of mass bathing called Snan, where the specific holy river virtually becomes the Amrit Kumbh, the urn of immortality. It demonstrates the faith and belief of a people to wash away the burden of accumulated sins with the intent to cross the river of Vaitarni, punishment, and seek an answer to immortality. What could be the single-minded faith, devotion, belief, and thoughts that draw such a humongous number of people to this maddeningly chaotic, intensely personal, yet peaceful event every 3 years? The Kumbh, over its thousands of years of celebrations, has seen many incarnates and holy saints visit, give darshan, divine vision, and even participated in it. In fact, it was Jagat Guru Shankaracharya who gave the prominence to this festival in the 8th century, when he established his 4 mutts in the east, west, north, and south of the subcontinent. When an enlightened master takes a dip in the waters and adds his energies to it, the quality of the water becomes equivalent to that already energized by the multitude of humanity present there. Add to this the energies of the spirits of past enlightened masters and great sages, as those mentioned above, and the miraculous powers of the water increases multifold beyond imagination. This raises the consciousness of the people gathered there towards the Supreme Being, bringing tremendous positive energy to not only the location of the Kumbh Mela, but to all beings of planet Earth. For all humanity living today, to have this distinct privilege is possibly the most humbling yet enlightening experience of all.